Hello everybody, my name is Kaan. I'm an overview from Turkey. I would like to talk about a useful topic today. Doing the registration of electricity, gas or water. These three items are important for, of course, living. You should register your electricity, water and gas to do vital things in your house, and these things are necessary. Also, these three things are necessary for taking your electricity, water and gas bills and to show to immigration office for address registration and for renewal of residence permit. So there is one vital issue and one legal need about doing these subscriptions. How to do that? There are electricity, gas registration, and water registration points in all over Istanbul and in other cities also. Uh, One company generally do in every city in Istanbul for electricity, two company, for example. They are like monopole about these water, gas, and electricity issue in every city. Uh, some different companies, but monopoles do this in different cities. So you check in Google their checkpoints, their subscription points, offices, and you go to the nearest of them. You don't need to go to headquarters. You can go to a branch for opening water, gas, or electricity. Which documents are needed? For opening electricity, the things are changed, especially in Istanbul. They want address registration for opening electricity. It can sound awkward, but this is the reality. They want address registration. They want to see address registration paper from e-government. You need to have the ID, the resident permit card copy, and original. You bring the original. You need to have the earthquake insurance policy, and it should be valid. You need to have title deed copy, and if you are a tenant, you need to have the notarized rent contract. This is very important. It should be notarized. Also, you need to know and you need to show the number of the electricity meter so they can check the exact localization and meter to subscribe to electricity. For gas, the same thing. The number of the meter is needed. Earthquake insurance is needed. Title deed copy and notarized rent contract is needed. Uh, for water, the same documents. Earthquake insurance, sometimes they require. For gas also, they sometimes require, sometimes they don't. You need to bring for water also title deed copy, rent contract copy, and you need to bring the ID copy and original ID and the number of the water meter. Number of the meters are very important for these subscriptions. For electricity, they take the deposit in cash or by card immediately. For gas and water, it will be reflected to your first bill, or they divide it to the bills, deposit and installment fees. They divide it to bills. That is an advantage part. For electricity, they take the deposit in advance by cash or by card. Thank you for watching me. For these kind of helpful informations, please follow me and stay updated. Thank you very much.